Hi, this is Muhammad Shazib Ali, and I'm here to explain the uh, Leach model simulation code where we downloaded the MATLAB tool from the internet and from the MathWork websites, and and I have taken this code from the internet and modify little bit to with parametric values and some basics, so to make it more visible and better to understand. So here we started leech code from the performing parametric values. This is a network area, sensor node, and the probability, and in initial energy amplifier, electric energy consumed, and data aggregation energy, number of data packet size, and rounds in the network. So this is a base station position. So in this model of Leach, base station is at the fixed position. It's not moving. In our model, we will do code for that model in the next phase. So that will clearly explain all the things, how the base station is moved and all that. This code is assigning the values of the sensor nodes and related things, and randomly generating its locations in the network. And this is a total related to the dead nodes and energy related things. This is the eligible again round until. So leach in we have started from further numbers of rounds loop here. In each round, all the sensor node in the network send, which if they are alive, they send their data once. When all the nodes send their data once time, it means one round is completed and the values are calculated. How much energy consumed, how many data packets are sent, and how much time is taken. So this is the code. After that, here this is the code for the selection of the cluster head based on the Leach model probability value. If the nodes are not clustered, then how they in this way here the visual representation of the things like mean. Here the thing, here we have used, these are the plots code that indicating the sensor nodes deployed, and the selected cluster head with the different colors, and the location of the base station as well. These are the thing. Here is the energy, which if the because we have in the start in the parameters we have assigned some initial energy to the base station sensor nodes. Here in the further calculations, all the things are. In further calculation, all the things are computed from the node, like energy is calculated over the distance with the specific distance, and reduce the energy from the sensor nodes to the existing energy resources, and all these factors. Sensor nodes join their cluster heads in this code, and how the data is communicated, and this total energy consumed, reserve, total rounds in energies, round energy, and the dead nodes, and all the calculation. And after all the calculation as a leech model, in the end we show the result in the graph. To make the graph, we have a figure where the plot from round 1 to all the rounds, energy calculation, and line that indicating the result, x label, y label, rounds. Leech model. So this plot will show when, after doing all the things, when we run the code. Here we have run this code. This is shown to us. Here you can see these are the figures and all. This is a line. I have to add a figure 2. Here this is a figure 1, where a black lines are the, so it's taking some issues. Here we can see that these are the black are the normal nodes in the current round, red are the cluster head selected, and this is the base station. So, and here in the figure we can see the energy is consumed, how much energy is consumed. With these current number of sensor node, total energy was 50 joule, and in the 10 round it consumed almost 0 point somehow, and all that. And line is indicating at which round how much total energy was consumed. If you have any question, you can ask me with the screenshot, and if you have you cannot understand anything, you can contact me as whenever you like. I am available for any time. Good luck.